for your visit to our 16 buttons soundboard for kids' early education. As we can see that there are 16 buttons on the sound model, and we can choose it in English or Korean. And there are printing books. Kids can listen to the voice and look at the word on the printing book together when they learn it. And if you can play it, please pull the sticker and then turn to the required language. This is Korean and this is in English.
엄마, 엄마, 아빠, 할머니, 할아버지, 아기, 누나, 형, 이모.
And we change it to English. Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa. And you can let your kids know how to say the different members in your family. It's very good. It's very good to choose for your kids' early education. Come enjoy it.